Welcome you all for the video lecture on basics of Python. In Python, we are going to see the operators. This is the simple expression containing the operator and operands. An operator is a symbol that represents operations that may be performed on one or more operands. An operand is a value that a given operator is applied to. Example 4 plus 3 into 4, k. Plus multiply are operators and 4 3k are operands. So this is a figure explaining you the operator and the operands. Let us look at the types of operators in Python. In Python, we have arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operators. In arithmetic operators, we have plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, which returns the remainder after dividing the value, floor division, and exponentiation. For exponentiation, we use double multiply symbol, or that is that operator. Tabular column explaining you how to use that in the Python program. Relational operators are greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Whenever we perform operator, that is relational operator on operands, that will give you, that expression will give you either true or false. Assignment operators are, assignment operator is something that will assign the values to the from the right hand side to the left hand side. Assignment operator: add and assign, subtract and assign, divide and assign, multiply and assign, modulus and assign, exponent and assign, floor divide and assign are the assignment operators in Python. So this assign and the operations can be used to expressions which perform some operations to a variable and stores that result in the same variable. For example, if we are adding a variable, some values like a plus 1 and storing the result in the same variable, that is a is equal to a plus 1, there we can use a plus assign operator 1, like here explained. So we can use that in all the other operations as well. Logical operators are and, or, and not. So an operator is something that returns true if both of the operands are true, false otherwise. Or operator returns true if either one or both of the operands is true, false otherwise. Not operator returns true if the given expression or operand is false and vice versa. So this is the operator priority, or and then not. An example program. So 10 less than 5 is false. We have used and 10 less than 20. This is true. So for and operator, both of the expressions should be true for the result to be true. But here we have false, so the result is false. If we have used or, either one of the expression should be true for the result to be true, or otherwise the result will be false. Here 10 less than 20, here 10 less than 5. Here 10 less than 5 is false, or operator, logical operator, and 10 less than 20 is true. So false or true is returning true because It will take the value true if either one of the value is true and not. 10 less than 20, it returns you with a result true. So when we perform not operator to that, it will result as false. Explaining here again in the tabular form. What we have to understand is for the logical and both of the expression has to be true for the result to be true, or otherwise the result will be false. For logical, or either one of the expression has to be true for the result to be true, or otherwise false. For not, we have to write the result opposite to that of the result produced. Membership operators. Python membership operators are in and not in. In return true if the value or variable exists in the given sequence. False otherwise. Not in return true if the value or variable does not exist in the given sequence. False otherwise. Example given here. Here we have a list. We are checking whether the item is in the list. It will result true when it is present, or otherwise false. Identity operator is in Python we have is and is not. What is that? Is operator return true if both of the operands or variables are referring to the same memory location. Otherwise, it will return false. Is not operator returns true if both of the operands or variables are referring to the different memory location. Otherwise, it will return false. So here we have the example. So A is equal to 20, B is equal to 20. A is B, it returns true. C is equal to 22, B is equal to 20. C is B, false. So it goes like that. And let us look at the bitwise operators. Then interesting and most used in um, the processor subjects. And we have that here. In Python, we have bitwise and bitwise or, bitwise complement, ones complement, left shift, right shift, bitwise XOR. So this is how the precedence of the operators is. First, the exponentiation, unary, positive, unary, negative, bitwise negation, multiplication, division, floor division, addition, subtraction, left shift, right shift, bitwise and XOR, bitwise or, comparison, identity, boolean not, boolean and, boolean or. So this is the bitwise operators meaning and then the operator. So this is the program involving all the operators. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the video lecture. Let me meet in another video.